Is your company or business needing a new or revised cleaning and disinfecting program for consumer or employee confidence? Do you need a cost-effective, easy-to-use cleaning and disinfecting process with only 2 products? Imagine being able to text or email a link to your employers and they know what to do in under 5 minutes. You just claimed victory for creating a documented cleaning and disinfecting process in a matter of minutes, verified with hospital-grade testing equipment with cloud-based record-keeping. Oso Chem is the one-stop solution for any size company. We sell high-volume spray systems to apply disinfecting solution, like the Clorox 360 electrostatic sprayer for gyms, locker rooms, fitness centers, or hard-to-clean areas. We have cordless sprayers for restaurants, barbershops, offices, amusement parks, schools, churches, airlines, and more. By using our Oso Sanitized validation system and marketing material, we will instantly build consumer and employee confidence in your company. We back our Oso Sanitized process with hospitable-grade testing equipment and cloud-based software. See all of your locations from one dashboard, so you know exactly what's going on with your cleaning and disinfecting process at each location. You may be asking yourself, what's the cost for such a great service? The answer is, the cleaning chemicals are very cheap, some under $3 a gallon, ready to use. Professional sprayers sell for $150 to $9,500 each, but also available for rent. Our touchscreen testing equipment can be purchased for around $2,000, rented, or hire one of our approved vendors to do the testing. We make this process super easy to get started and manage, so call, click, or come by today to get started with Oso Chem and the Oso Sanitized system.